What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna have a review and unboxing of some Johnny Lightning 50 years diecast cars, and these are the ones that we're gonna have. Decided to open them up. I've had them for quite some time now. We bought this whole lot. We got it we purchased this lot at a swap meet at a flea market. We paid around $4.50 a piece. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. And let's get to cracking. First of all, we got this Copo Muscle. This is a 1969 Copo Camaro ZL1. Nice, beautiful. Opening these up, the cards aren't in the best condition. Plus, I don't collect cardboard. We don't collect cardboard here. It has opening hood. Nice little rubber tires. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Very well detailed. Very well detailed. We also have this here. 68 Mercury Cougar GTE. You guys already know we don't collect cardboard, so we're taking them out. And I dropped it. And did it get scratched? Probably it did. I don't know if that's a scratch now that I dropped it. But oh well. Like I was saying, rubber tires, opening hood, decently detailed hood, engine. Details in the sides. No, that wasn't a scratch because this one also has it. So there you go. There's the back. We move on to a 73 Pontiac Grand Am in beautiful blue. Admiralty blue poly. Wow. Try to say that 5 times fast. So we can see right there. Look at the top, white or cream or beige, whatever you want to call it. Nice rubber tires. All these cars are going to be rubber tires. Going to come with real riders. I can't open it without my nail, but there it is. We got a 58 Corvette convertible. Not too bad. This one's a little dirty on the inside. Just wipe that off with our fingers. Look at that. That beauty. Yep, I can't get them open without a big nail. We got this here, 68 AMC AMX. From the American Motors. You guys saw the color combo right there. I was not going to try and pronounce it. Real riders as well. Decently detailed engine. Not the greatest, but not the best in the business. We have this here. 70 Mercury Cyclone spoiler. Competition blue. Now that's an easy color to enunciate or pronounce. Look at this. Beauty of a car right here. Very nice. We have a 69 Chevy Camaro. This one comes with a little card. I'll leave that there. Wow. No hood. Road Rider tires. Crazy looking suspension. We continue. Another Cyclone in competition green. See? Just why can't you guys just make easy names like so? Look at this. Simple, clean, and green. Very nice. Another Cougar GTE in a different color. Cardinal red. Oh. Last two. We got this here. Custom Camaro. Nice. In yellow. Bumblebee look alike. Very, very nice. Clean, detailed. Opening hood, but I probably won't get it open. Nice Road Rider tires. With some lettering on the sides. Not too bad. And last but not least, you got a Copo. Yanko Deuce Nova. Very, very nice. Out of 2,500. And forest green poly. Wow, look at this. Super dope. Opening hood. Detailed engine. Yanko decals. Super dope car. Super nice looking. Amazing. Going into the collection. Well, there you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe. And keep on collecting. See you guys in the next one. Peace.